Itumeleng Khune received a guard of honor at FNB Stadium on Saturday, just before kick-off in Kaizer Chiefs' final home DStv Premiership match of the season against Polokwane City. The two teams gathered opposite each other, just outside the tunnel, to applaud Itumeleng Khune onto the pitch, where he received signed T-shirts and hugs from Chiefs team manager Bobby Motaung and Amakhosi sporting director Kaizer Chiefs. Fans held up placards and wore T-shirts to commemorate the occasion, with Khune applauding them from the pitch as he was honored for 25 years between the posts for Amakhosi. It could well be that Khune has already played his last game for Chiefs. Bruce Fuma is the number one choice in the side at the moment, while Chiefs are not expected to give Khune another playing contract when his current deal runs out in June. Khune was on the bench as a substitute on Saturday as he was in Chiefs' previous league game at Amazulu with Brandon Peterson out suspended. He last played for Chiefs on November 11 in a DStv Premiership Soweto derby against Orlando Pirates. The following month, Khune was suspended by the club and stripped of the captaincy after reportedly coming to training under the influence of alcohol. Khune's suspension was lifted in March, but he remains without an appearance for Amakhosi in the second half of the campaign. Khune gave thanks to club and supporters while also revealing that the occasion had nothing to do with his future, revealing he will sit down with the club. Speaking on the SuperSport TV, he said, "Yeah, thank you very much. I'm very humbled by the support I've been getting throughout the years from my family, my wife, and kids. Kaizer Chiefs family, the Khune family, the Makunga family, and each and everyone out there who's been supportive through thick and thin. Things have not been going well at some point. I've been getting injuries, career-threatening injuries, but people didn't lose hope. People were always supporting me. I was getting messages on all social media platforms, including my WhatsApp, was always busy, and I'm grateful for the support I've been getting throughout the years. But this journey is still long. We're still going to see each other. We're still going to travel together as much as we have been traveling it, and I appreciate everything and everyone has done for me. It's not a farewell. The club made it clear that they're honoring me for 25 years of service. They didn't say we are bidding farewell to Itumeleng Khune. So I think we will go back, sit down and discuss the future. But for now, nothing has been confirmed yet and my legs can still carry me for the next couple of years. So I will continue giving my all." Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more sports news.